This stylish induction hob from Neff is perfect for budding chefs who want a high-quality model with innovative features. There are 5 cooking zones to choose from in 2 different sizes, perfect for cooking with both large and small pans. This model has Neff's fantastic FlexInduction technology, which is specially designed to accommodate several pans or larger cookware. With a simple touch of the controls, you can easily expand the zones to suit the size of your pans. So, whether you're cooking a big pot of chili or lots of smaller dishes simultaneously, you'll always have the option to create large batches of food to make mealtimes easier. The handy restart function allows you to easily resume your cooking if the hob is accidentally turned off. It remembers your cooking settings for 4 seconds, so you won't need to set them again when you turn it back on. This means you'll never ruin the food you're cooking and dinner will always taste delicious. If you're looking for a high-quality induction hob with innovative features, this stylish model from Neff is the perfect choice.